Welcome back, money makers. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you how to make animated cartoon videos using Canva. Now, whether you're creating content for your business, social media, or personal projects, these animations will make your work stand out. Now, let's get started. Once you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to go to the bottom and create a blank video. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to elements on the left, click on it, and then you're going to type in urban street. You're going to click on graphics. Okay, and then let's see, you want to find something that you like. Let's see. So I like this one right here. Should fix your canvas page. Okay. All right. So guys, the next thing we want to do is we're gonna go back to elements and we're gonna type in walking person. Thing we're gonna click on this and we're gonna scroll down to animated. Click on animated. Okay. So guys, this is a person I'm going to choose. I'm going to go to the top. I'm going to flip her around. Okay, I'm going to make her a little smaller. Okay. Bring her down to the bottom. Okay, a little bit. And then guys, I'm going to go to animate at the top. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is click on create an animation by the B. Click on the image that is your image that is walking along with the shift button, and then you're going to drag it and you're going to see these dotted lines, these purple lines. So how, depending on how far you want your person to walk, that's how far the dotted lines will go. So guys, then you can press play, and this will be the result. Okay, and you can increase the speed of your person that's walking with the speed button. um okay guys, I also want to say if you need to move your person that's walking, you can to another position, you can, and you can go back also, and you can press play at a different angle so you can see how it is. We're going to add a page, and we're going to click our background once again. Going to resize our picture that we have chosen to use. Okay guys, so next thing we want to do is go back to elements and let's add a sky. And we're gonna just go to layer and send backwards. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is go back to elements and type in motorcycle, and then you just scroll down till you find one that you like. So I like this one, but I'm going to flip him around. All right, and I'm gonna make him a little smaller, kind of center him. And then I'm going to go back to animate, click on create an animation, and then I'm going to click on my photo, my image here, and shift, and I'm going to drag him. And once again, you will see the dotted line, purple dotted line as before. Okay. And so I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to press play. All right. Now let's increase the speed once again. Change the speed halfway. Let's press play. So guys, that's pretty much it. So when you're done, guys, you just go up to the top and click share, download. Make sure it's MP4 video. You can either download both pages together, or you can just click on one or two. I'm going to click on both, and then you will click done, download, and guys, that's it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.